Writing affiliate product reviews takes time. Researching the product, finding pros and cons, comparing it to alternatives, structuring it properly for SEO, then writing the whole thing from scratch. For one review that could take 2 to 3 hours. In this video I am going to show you how to use Claude AI to produce a complete affiliate product review in under 15 minutes and publish it live to a WordPress blog. Every step on screen. Let us get into it. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from before we start. The affiliate platform we are using in this tutorial is Awin. Awin is one of the largest affiliate networks with thousands of products across every niche. Go to awin.com and create your free publisher account. Once approved, you can browse their advertiser directory and find products in your niche to promote. For this tutorial, I am going to pick a product from the tech accessories category on Awin. When you find a product you want to review, note down the product name, the brand, the key features listed on the product page, and the affiliate link they provide you. That is all the information you need before we go to Claude. Now open Claude AI and sign in. Free account works fine for this. Here is the exact prompt I use. Paste this in and fill in your product details. Write a complete affiliate product review blog post for a product called, then fill in the product name. It is listed on the Awin affiliate network. The review must include a short introduction explaining what the product is and who it is for, a features breakdown in plain language, an honest pros and cons section with at least 3 points each, a comparison with 2 similar products and when each is the better choice, and a clear verdict with a recommendation. The tone should be helpful and honest. Length should be around 900 words. Do not add fabricated personal stories or false claims. Base everything on the documented and publicly known features of this product. Hit send and watch Claude build the full review. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds. Read through what Claude produces. You will see the introduction, the features section, the pros and cons, the comparison, and the verdict all structured and ready. Now here is the part most people skip, and it is the most important step. Edit it before you publish. Go through the review and adjust anything that sounds too generic. Add a sentence or 2 in your own words at the beginning explaining why you chose to cover this product. If you have any genuine knowledge about this product category, weave 1 or 2 specific observations in. This personalization is what separates content that performs from content that gets ignored. Once your review is edited and ready, copy the full text. Now we are going to publish it. This is a live WordPress blog. Log into the WordPress dashboard. Click Posts and then Add New. Give your post a title that includes the product name and a natural keyword. Add your Awin affiliate link to the product name the first time it appears. And again in the verdict section. Use the hyperlink tool in WordPress to embed it cleanly rather than pasting a raw URL. Add a featured image. You can use the product image from the Awin product page or generate one using any of the free AI image tools we have covered on this channel. Set your SEO title and meta description using a plugin like RankMath or Yoast if you have one installed. Then hit Publish. That is a live affiliate review post on a WordPress blog, researched, written, edited, and published in under 15 minutes. One important thing before we move on. Always add a short affiliate disclosure at the top of your post. Something simple like, "This post contains affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you." This is a legal requirement in most countries, and it builds trust with your readers. It takes 10 seconds to add and protects you. Now, the reason this workflow is powerful is not just speed. It is consistency. Every review you produce through this prompt covers the same essential elements that make affiliate content both useful to readers and rankable on Google. Features, honest pros and cons, real comparison, clear verdict. That structure repeated across your blog builds the kind of content library that attracts consistent organic traffic over time. If you want to build a proper blog like the one you just saw with all the right technical foundations for affiliate marketing, including proper hosting, theme setup, SEO configuration, and monetization structure, the Padded Vibes team handles all of that for clients. You can reach out if you want to discuss what that looks like for your situation. No pressure at all, just an option if you want a properly built foundation to publish on. The tools covered in this video are all free to start. Awin account is free to join. Claude free plan handles the writing. Hit the like button if this gave you a practical system you can start using today. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and what niche you are going to write your first affiliate review in. See you in the next one.